How to enable text messaging. First, click on System in the Encore menu. Select Text Utilities. Here, you will need to click on Request Number. This will automatically assign your Encore account a unique phone number. This phone number will be the number shown on all texts sent from Encore to your clients. If you have trouble assigning a number, please call Insight Support. Clients can reply to your texts and the replies will show up under Clients, Text History. We have sent and received a test message off screen. A notification bubble will appear if you have any unread messages. You can view and reply to texts here. Please note that sending text replies is a paid feature. To add credits, call sales at 1-888-919-5841. We have now finished enabling text messaging. To learn more about sending texts in Encore, click the eye in the upper right-hand corner to view the playlist. Thanks for watching.